Lifetime free fake police siren features provided by KaranKavach.com, a social media app for security of men, women, and kids, which is getting launched on Android and iOS mobile sooner. Somebody is following you, or maybe you stuck in middle of the criminal, and you just want to let them know that you already have acquired for police help and police is coming for your help. So you can fake them by using fake police siren. Let's see how you can use fake police siren feature. To start fake police siren, click upon fake police siren upon couch fragment. Siren is started now. If you want, you can minimize the app. You can use other apps as well. You can come back. You can stop it. If you want, you can start it again, and you can explore other activities also over here. And you can come back to the couch fragment and you can stop it. I am Rakesh, working as CEO and CTO on KaranKavach.com. KaranKavach.com upcoming features like fake call, fake police siren, detection of hidden camera, spy camera, call to nearest police officer, source, then lifetime free unlimited chat, call, file transfer, donate to society, collect donations from society. Will blow your mind. Don't forget to download our app from Google Play Store. We are launching on 20th January 2025. Download our app and protect your family. Keep on nurturing the society with inevitable protection. Protect your family with our app.